Calculating your maintenance calories is essential for managing your weight and overall health. Maintenance calories represent the amount of energy your body needs to maintain its current weight. Here's a concise guide to calculate maintenance calories. Basal metabolic rate. Start with calculating your basal metabolic rate, which is the number of calories your body needs at rest. Use the Harris-Benedict equation for this. Activity factor. Multiply your BRM by an activity factor that represents your daily activity level. Sedentary, lightly active, moderately active, very active, super active. Result. The final number you get after multiplying your BRM by the activity factor represents your maintenance calories. It's an estimate of how many calories you need to maintain your current weight. For example, if you're a moderately active 30-year-old woman weighing 70 kilograms and measuring 160 centimeters, your maintenance calories would be BRM x 155, which accounts for your daily activity level.